Day 5, Utah BDR. We're gonna be leaving Green River. If you got boys want to try to make it to Current Creek, I don't know how that's gonna do. It's like 190 some miles today, but no, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna see. May have to bypass this wash that's right at the beginning of as soon as we leave Green River. It's not a very long section, but we hear it's really washed out. The dude sleep back there on the picnic table. Yeah, it's gonna be a hot day today. I don't know where it's gonna cool off at, but hopefully it cools off sometime today. But yeah, we'll get back with you when we get on the trail or the road. Peace. We're gonna stop and get some gas and some extra water, and then we're gonna bypass the little wash that's right out of here. So we hear it's pretty tore up, and then hit the trail from there. But yeah, so I'll see you once we get back to the actual trail. Alright, peace. Alright, back in the dirt outside Green River, or should be called Brown River. Back to this light sand stuff, but these dudes are going to be doing 5 miles an hour. Well, we're going to meet back up with the BDR in 7.5 miles as the crow flies, so who knows how long it's really going to be. I got to back off because of all this dust. Now we got to get back into the groove. I'll get back to you once we get on the actual trail. Reservoir. I don't know how deep it is, but on this trail this road for a minute, riding solo. I don't know where the other two went, Pete and Pete and Brett. I don't know where they went. They did not go the right way, and I never seen them. Harley went a different way earlier when we went to get gas, so he could get to the lake, try to pick a spot for us. He probably wanted to get some fishing in, because he is a top tier fly fisher, winning competitions and stuff. Me, I can barely cast out a regular rod with that little thumb trigger that they give to the little kids usually. Now, this is a beautiful valley though, definitely. Current Creek Reservoir.
These are all little dinks over here. I gotta get to a different part of the lake. Number 3 in the nation, bud.
Made it. Current Creek Reservoir. I am here. Utah BDR Section 5. All right, we got here at night, so now I got to do the intro with the spotlight on. Say what up there, Brett. What up? See, that was him saying what up with the light. See, he's camped out over there. Bonfire, a table, there I am. It's a dope little campsite.
Concrete patio.
Yeah, we got a little concrete patio. We got a grill, but we got no coals. But yeah, we're here. Night 5, Utah BDR. There's a bathroom over there. Staying in the campsite. I don't know if you can hear that little kid just yelling at the top of her lungs. She got to have some kind of syndrome. She ain't stopped yet, but we did get a dope camp spot. Current Creek Reservoir, right here on the edge. Well, that's pretty much it. Seeing camp. It's the end of day 5. We're up into Section 5. We're heading to Evanston tomorrow. So we got about 120 miles or so, 130 miles maybe to knock out tomorrow. That's not that much. Hopefully it's a nice flowy road like we had today. Today was kind of rough a little here or there, but other than that, it was good. Oh yeah. All right. Good night.